There we go. I'll take that. Not bad. You're a dick, Sealand. Words cannot express how much I love and hate you. Dang, that's good. That could have been a gold. If I didn't... What did I do stupid? The beginning was a little slow. Yeah, it was mostly the beginning. If I hadn't done stupid shit at the beginning, that would have been a 123 and possibly gold. Fuck, I almost did the cool thing. But alas, alas. Fuck that guy. Fuck. That turn was toyed. Toyed like a tiger. Toyed like a faja. Some guy, that sounds like the dream to me. Wait, so guys, good news. Silence recently edited his video to not say world record anymore. That means I got noticed. The senpai noticed me. Holy shit, that was really clutch. I didn't expect that to work. Fuck, I didn't go right to the apex. That's what I'm doing wrong. I'm not going to the apex of the swing. Not bad. I'll take it. That was like a 149. If silence has a 134, I'll quit this game. Alright, good so far. Please? Oh, baby, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the best start I've ever had. A 6 fucking 05 coming out of Dax. That's insanity right there. The world has never seen a better beginning than that. Yeah, I can get sub 5 or sub 6 Dax. That's very possible. Slaughter, that wasn't gold because my gold Dax is insane. I missed a sniper shot on the warship, and I could have charge booted to do the mega turret clip. Like, I lost about a second and a half because I didn't charge boot. Plus, my aim on the mega turret itself was sloppy. That could have been a gold, but I just spaghettied at the end. That was about 2 seconds away from gold, I think. Alright, good start so far. This is a little slow. About a second or two slower than I want it to be. Depends how fast these guys load, too. Okay, that wasn't bad. The fact that I'm ahead right now, by 6 seconds, is fucking insane. For some reason, this always happens. Whenever I take prolonged breaks, I come back better than ever. Oh my god. That was way slower than I wanted it to be. But right now, to put it this way, this isn't going to be anywhere close to a 35, but I'm on 35 pace. That was good. Oh my god, this is beautiful. That fucking start. Holy shit. I just saved 18 seconds. Oh my god, dude. This is crazy. Holy shit, that was so fast. Dude, that's the way I operate, though. Like, I don't care if I lose this run. I'm thrilled that I can keep this pace. That's what matters. Like, if I lose this run, whatever. I'm gonna have other runs in the future that are really good. But just the fact that I can be this good is what matters. Plus, this is a really slow mission 3, or 2. I'm on mission 2. This is pretty slow, so I don't really care. Like, if I just get a 37, I'll be really happy. Regardless of whether or not it's a PB. Like, will I be upset if this ends up being like a low 36 that I lose at Command Center? Fuck yeah, I'm gonna be upset about that. But like, that's what speedrunning is. It's all about like finding the balance between sucking and being amazing. Dude, die. Die! What the fuck? Holy shit. This is a really bad mission 3. Vortex, you're a dick. Oops. Oh my god, he just got railed in one hit. Yo, quick shout out, Ratchet 3 for AGDQ 2016. I want to get the hype going. What if I just killed myself right now? How heartbroken would you guys be? Not like me personally, I mean like in the game. Holy shit, I do not mean me personally. I am not suicidal. Thanks, Hobbs, I appreciate it. You missed the start, but this run is really fucking good right now. It's probably against terms of service. Yeah, probably a little bit. Yeah, so Hobbs, this is the best run I've ever had so far. 605 Dax is fucking insane. Oh my god, dude. RIP! I didn't wait for the camera angle, but it's okay. I wonder how that's gonna affect the rest of the shit that I do in this run. I'm still on low 36 pace easily. Yeah, I'll take 7.5 seconds. I'm fine with that. That was a pretty jank laser facility, but I'll take it. Hi, Lauren. Okay. Oh, those guys. I don't know the answer to that, Double X2. I really don't. They did accept a lot of PS2 games. It's just all the shit they've already done before. Like, what was it, Crash 2? A couple other PS2 exclusives, like I think a couple Kingdom Hearts. I wasn't sure where I ended up, so I took it the safe way. Oh, that was scary. I'll take it. Holy. So this is what it's like to be cheese. Where you have a really good run and then you still have 1,000,000 seconds to save in one spot.
Okay, Clank is hot on his tail. Maximilian tries to shake him off in rush hour traffic. All right, I love a good chase scene. All right, you're doing great, kid. Now, avoid the lasers and meet up with the monkey in the casino parking lot. In this scene,
Holy shit. Bad.
put aside their differences and work together to reach that ledge. Let's see some real emotion out there, okay?
Scrunch. Okay. You got this, bro. Still saved about 15 seconds. Now I just have to have a really good Terror of Talos.
Bridge is out. Think fast. How would Agent Clank get across?
Oh, that was scary. A little bit too close for comfort, but I got it.
I love it. Okay, this is it, people. The grand finale. Giant Clank versus the Terror of Talos. Don't screw this up, kid. Action. That's what I'm talking about. All right, you, the giant ninja.
I'll take it. Now just fall and die. Good shit.
It's a wrap. Take 5, people. That's it.
Whew.
Get some. Good. Check the gate. Put it in the can.
Let's fucking go, baby. Let's do this shit. I remembered that from the first run. Oh, that was pretty clutch, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think I'd be able to recover from that. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna lose a little bit of time, but that's okay. There we go. Oh shit. Not terrible. I'll take that. Thank you, Lauren. I love you, but I need to focus. Focus time. I think this is going to come down to Hideout and Koros and Command Center. So every place in the game I can choke. Good. We got this, boys. How you doing, Gniston? Oh, that was really close. That's amazing. The fact that I only lost a second and I only lost 2 seconds. That's amazing. I'll do my best, Sealand. Okay. No, It's okay. It's no big deal. That doesn't matter anymore. I can still get sub 37. Hey guys, sorry, I'm not going to be able to focus on chat for a few seconds. Let's do this. Oh, let's go. Let's fucking go. We got the hype going. We fucking got this. Okay. This should be faster than walking normally. Or than what I normally do, I should say. Fuck, I didn't angle myself well enough. That's okay. Don't go to Iridia. Don't start the spam just yet. I gotta get past command center first. Also, this fucking thing. If I don't die, this is world record. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Holy shit. Now you can start spamming. Now you can spam all you fucking want. Holy shit. That took 2 runs! That took fucking 2 runs! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That took fucking 2 runs. I didn't even warm up. My first time seriously streaming this category in a month, and I get it in 2 fucking runs.